Good morning everyone, it's Sharon here from Butterfly Lullaby and I'm just showing you some of my handmade Japanese knotweed paper. Yeah, you heard that right, my Japanese knotweed paper. This is what I want to do. I want to save the trees and use this plant to make paper, and I'm hoping that somebody out there, well, overseas are making it commercially, so I want us to do that here in the UK and in America, etc., instead of dumping it, wasting taxpayers' money and dumping it. It's a really useful plant, Japanese knotweed. I could talk about it for days and days, but I don't want to bore you guys. So anyway, so fly high, be happy, dream big. These are some of my drawings. I want to actually learn to draw better because I never really did an art course. I failed art at school and art was the only thing that I could do, so it was quite sad. But anyway, I've gone on to do great things, even though, leaving school, I didn't do well in school at all because I was dyslexic, and also because I was taught ITA, English Twaddle, which is an alien backward language. But yeah, we've got our own house now. Oh my gosh, I've written a book. I've taught my daughter how to love reading, writing, and spelling, and that's from a dyslexic when the school failed. So I am very proud of what I've achieved in life. What was I going to say? So yeah, so I'm going to be making a video. Well, I've made a video. I've just got to put it all together. I've done it for my friend in America. She's a herbalist. So I'll just give a big shout out to Chris from Nana's Naturals. She grows her own organic herbs in her garden, and she's now growing Japanese knotweed. She found my research on it because Japanese knotweed is high in resveratrol, which is anti-aging. I put this plant in my smoothie every day, and I'm asthma free now, so I absolutely love this plant. I can't say enough good stuff about it, really. So yeah, so that's all from me, really. Check out some of my Facebook channels, or groups, or whatever you want to call them. I've got a gardening group, so you can see that at the end of this video. And do subscribe if you like my sort of stuff. I do speak from the heart, and I love being a mum, and I think there's nothing to be ashamed of there with being a mum. This equal equality stuff is getting on my nerves, to be quite honest. Yeah, I'm all for equal rights and that, but when they sort of say you can't call yourself mother anymore, then you have to question what's really going on, if you know what I mean. It's a bit like Japanese knotweed, I'm probably one of these mothers that's really not liked like Japanese knotweed. It's because people don't understand what's the benefits are of having Japanese knotweed, and having people like me in the world that actually say, hang on a minute, that doesn't look right, let's do something different. So yeah, that's all from me. Speak to you all soon, and I hope to upload my video on how to make Japanese knotweed paper soon. And I'd love to see Japanese knotweed art. So if anybody's got any, please do show me. And I've got a little art group, for my daughter, and it's on Facebook. I need to put that on here actually. So do join it. And I've got a dyslexic reading support group as well, so I can put that on here as well. And the gardening group, as I mentioned. So do connect with me. I'd love to chat with you. And if you've got any ideas, do share them. Don't be quiet in the corner. Share them with me, and leave comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to see your art. Okay, bye bye.